In 2022, on the Solør Line in Norway, EMD locomotives roared day and night, from every company, in every shape and color. It got so wild, even the locals joined in for a trackside jog. South of Kirkenes Station, we see a northbound train led by T44 locomotives operated by Green Cargo. At Braskereidfoss station, two T44s are waiting on a siding for a train to pass. The Swedish-built T44 uses a 12-cylinder EMD 645 engine. They are soon passed by a southbound light engine movement, a single MZ locomotive from CargoNet. At Fisa station, a northbound CargoNet train arrives, led by an MZ locomotive. These ex-Danish MZ units are equipped with a 16-cylinder EMD 645 motor. Next, a northbound Hectorail train enters track 2 at Flea to allow a meet. It's powered by a T66 locomotive. The dispatcher resets the switch to the main line after the train has cleared. From the north, a work train approaches. The dispatcher sets the route for the waiting Hectorail train. The T66 features a 12-cylinder EMD 710 engine. Now we are north of Kirkenes Station, where the dispatcher clears the home signal. A southbound light engine, a single MZ, passes through. Heading north, a green cargo train rolls by with a Eurodual locomotive. It uses a 16-cylinder Caterpillar engine and is towing an electric locomotive for use further north. Another northbound CargoNet train with an MZ passes Fisa station. On Flea waiting on a siding is a southbound green cargo train with two T44s. The T44 has a 12-cylinder EMD 645 engine and exists in at least 3 different paint schemes. The first train to pass is a CargoNet consist with an MZ, also hauling an electric locomotive for onward travel north of Hamar. Next comes an on-rail train with a former Danish ME locomotive, powered by a 16-cylinder EMD 645. Finally, it's time for the green cargo train to roll. The ME locomotive pulls north into the twilight. Stop, look and listen, north of Braskereidfoss station. A Euro 4000 light engine from CargoNet charges north. Now a Euro 4000 locomotive passes Kirkenes station, heading north with a CargoNet freight. Another Euro 4000 arrives at Elverum from the north. These units are powered by a 16-cylinder EMD 710 engine. at Braskereidfoss, Tog AB's TMY 101 is switching. This ex-Danish locomotive from 1956 is equipped with a 16-cylinder EMD 567C engine. A northbound Hector-rail timber train passes Fisa station, powered by a diesel hydraulic Deutz locomotive. Two T-44s led a southbound green cargo train through Fisa. An MZ locomotive stretches north through Fisa station with a cargonet train. Once again with an electric loco in tow. We end with a scene from the Norwegian Railway Museum on Tour. EY3 616, built in 1958, departs Elverum and begins the 1.4% climb toward Hamar. EMD 567, 645 and 710, all singing their songs across the pine forests of Norway. This was diesel culture, Solør style. That's all from the Solør Line, where even the moose are rail fans.